Hey guys, today on my workbench we got a Proctor Silex Iron that is supposedly broken, destined for the dump. Look, it's a model 12699, if you can see that. So I figured I would tear it apart, show you how to take it apart, so if you ever have to service yours, you know how to get into it without breaking it too bad. Alright, let's get started. It looks like this thing has been torn into before and dropped many times because there's a bunch of broken panels on it. So this just pops off with a screw. And looks like, yeah, that just sits on top of the spring. So there's a screw here, Phillips, on the back of it. Pop that off. See what that looks like. This has been broken before, so let's take this off. And it looks like that's how you release the cords. If you need to actually replace this cord, that's how you do that, and you can just redo these wire nuts here. Obviously unplug it before you do that. Alright, let's see if we can figure out how to get into the base of this. Now, there are two screws here, so let's take those off. Get that off. Alright, and I did mess with this a little bit beforehand to see if how to get into it a little. There is this knob here that's going to have to come off. I thought maybe there would be a hidden screw behind the sticker, because usually there is. There is a small little Allen screw in there, but you don't have to remove it to get the thing off. And this is the size you need. And if you look way in there, I don't know if you can see that, but there is a little screw you can pull out if you need to. Otherwise, this knob just comes off by simply getting in here. I'm just prying it off, and then it will pop off. Like that. Just a pressure fit. Alright, so with that off, and these screws taken off, you notice it's still hanging up. So what I found is this base plate will remove slightly, but it's stuck at the front. Now, how you get the front off, if you need to ever take this plate off.
Huh. Yeah, there's definitely some more screws. Ah, perfect. Oh, that is not what I expected.
There's a little, like a friction grip spring in here, and you have to push it up in order to release the base. And it is a pain in the ass. Let's see if I can get it, and I can show you better here. Like that. There. So, let me show you. This little thing here, it's spring loaded. You got to push up on it on the front to kind of line it up, because this thing grips onto this. So if you just push down on that, and then you can do that. And I guess if you, worst case, if you need to, you could drill a hole in the side here. Wouldn't really affect the performance too much, I don't think. And then allow you to get access to pop this open if you're having problems getting a tool in there to do it. Otherwise, that's how you get this open if you ever need to get into this. It looks like that little Allen screw in here is what adjusts these plates and how they make contact. It must be how it changes the power from low to high as this thing turns. If you have it tightened too much, I think you're going to be high all the time. Yeah, high.
Come on, let's get high.
This is in Colorado, people. Alright. You can kind of see how that would work. Again, I have no clue how this is supposed to all work, how it's supposed to be tensioned, what's supposed to contact what. But anyway, that's how you would get into it if you need to. And then the rest of this, I'm assuming, there's a screw here, that clip on it. Take that out. Does that allow you to get into the top part? Still something. Let's see if we can pull this out. Does that help?
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
And there's one more screw right underneath that. And that is pretty much it. That's about all I can service, I believe. This looks like it's glued shut where the water goes. Well, that's how you get into it. Hopefully this helps. Thanks for watching.